And here is our chicken wings, our calamari, and of course, our tokwat baboy. We all used what? Doña Elena, olive oil, pure, and pomas. Tawan ko na yung barkada ko na talagang kakain pagkatapos mag-workout. Come on, honey. And Juliana, there you go. Huh.
Kanin na lang yung kulang. Correct.
Oh, sarap, di ba?
Sarap.
Oh. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today, we are preparing talagang mabigat na request to. Kailangan daw gawa ko ng pulutan. Pero gawa ko ng 3 klaseng pulutan. So naisip ko, gawa tayo ng standard yun, tokwat baboy, di ba? Tapos gawa tayo ng second pulutan, chicken wings. Tapos gawa tayo ng pulutan. Next is calamari. Let me just put on my apron. It says report your local farmer. Yun. So ang gagawin natin, ito, yung sa chicken, parang malambot siya. What you can do is, yung chicken, i-boil nyo sandali. No? You don't really have to boil it na malambot, pero parang half-cook lang siya just to make it soft. And then yung pork, what we'll do, we'll just fry it. And then pag na-fry natin siya, i-chop natin siya, i-fry natin pati yung tokwa, gagawa tayo ng sauce for that. And that's your tokwat baboy. So, for frying, we're going to use Doña Elena Pomas olive oil. Yun. Okay. My new dogs are noisy. You know, mga Jack Russell, mga baby pa itong mga to. Talagang all they do is play the whole day. No? Pangalan to, si Amihan and si Habagat. Yun. Let's see kung ano mangyayari paglaki. Yun. So, olive oil, Pomas olive oil. So, we'll fry everything there. I-deep fry natin yung tofu natin. No? Yung chicken naman, chicken wings, ilalagay natin dyan. Okay? So, you can boil it for about 5 minutes, no? Hanggang sa lumambot na siya ng konti. So, kumulo na yung chicken wings natin, lambot na siya. Lagyan natin dito. Okay, that's one. And then, i-coat natin siya a little with flour, no? Tapos i-fry natin siya. There you go. So we're done with our chicken wings. We'll turn this off. What we'll do is we'll work on our tokwat baboy. Natin kung mainit na ba yung frying pan natin. Yun, medyo mainit-init na siya. Okay? Mainit na. Ilalagay natin yung tokwa natin. Ang gusto nyo na tokwa sa tokwat baboy, gusto nyo yung firm na, yung firm na tokwa. Yun ang mas maganda pang tokwat baboy. Nice. So be careful na hindi kayo ma-splash ng hot oil. Alright. And while we're doing that, I'll work on my calamari. After that, we're going to fry our baboy. Okay. Both sides, salt and pepper. Okay. Yan lang, After that. Okay. Okay. There you go. And then we'll fry this. Pagkatapos na ng tokwat baboy natin. So, ginamit natin dyan is Doña Elena Pomas olive oil. So at this point, yung tofu natin, tignan natin kung medyo nag-brown na ba siya. Not yet. So give it another 2 minutes para mag-brown siya. So while we're working on that, tatabi ko na itong meat natin. I will work on our calamari. What you do is tanggalin nyo na yung ink ng calamari niya. You don't need that because hindi natin lulutuin yung squid natin with the ink. So nalinis na to kanina. Ang galing ng pagkalinis na ng tao natin. They really clean as well. Siyempre mga taong dagat to mga to eh. So they really know how to work on it, you know, and it's very fresh. Kanina, dumating ito, gumagano na, nag-iba pa yung color niya eh. No? See? Tapos, wala na yung pen, tanggal na rin yung pen. So all we need to do at this point is to cut it, no? I-cut na siya into rings. Okay? So, ikutin natin siya. Goody. Yes. Yun, hanggang sa nice, hanggang mag-brown na sila. And then, putulin ko na yung calamari natin. Just do that. Oh? Ganyan kalalaki. Masarap kaya yan para sa ano, pampulutan, no? Yan, no? Goody. And then this calamari we'll dip it in flour and cornstarch, and then we will season our flour. Okay, we'll season it with salt, pepper, and tayong fresh rosemary. We'll get some rosemary. Ang bilis lang ito. Hinaan ko na to. So our oil here is hot already, waiting for our calamari to be fried. Yun. Nice, tatabi ko na to. Lagyan siya ng konting hydrogen peroxide. Yan, good. Good. Kasi nilagyan natin, nag-touch tayo ng fresh na calamari, and then nag-touch din ng konti yung chicken natin, so it has become contaminated. No? Okay? So, hydrogen peroxide lang natin yung chopping board. Okay? Goody. Ito, mabilisan talaga to. Kasi, biglang nagdatingin yung barkada eh. Pag nagdatingin yung barkada, gusto nun, banat ka agad, kain ka agad, no? Nice. So, did this one. Ganda na ng luto niya. Okay, hinaan natin yung oil. And then we'll start cooking our pork. So our toko is cooked. Tatabilan natin to. So habang mainit yung oil natin, lalagyan natin itong baboy natin. Start cooking it. Yun, gano'n lang. That's it. Good eh. Tatabilan natin to. At put this on the side. And then later, sabay-sabay natin siyang i-prepare, no? What I'll do, with my calamari, I'll put 1 egg. Good. Let's put some salt. Pepper. Si Lucy and Juliana nandun, nag-exercise sila. No? So, yeah. And then, tayo ng fresh herbs natin. Tayo ng this one. Rosemary. Rosemary there. Kailangan ng rosemary. Ito, masarap to. Pag may rosemary yun, no? Yung calamari, masarap. Or thyme, kung ano meron. Whatever you have na fresh herbs, pwede. And then, let's chop it. Chop nyo na siya. Yung pino. No? Yes, pino lang. Good. That's it. And then, lagyan natin dito sa calamari natin. Just like that. Okay? And then, clean. Clean natin. And then, haluin natin. Haluin natin mabuti. Nice. And then, lagyan natin siya ng flour and cornstarch. So, with all of this, seasoned na siya. Kintataka kayo siguro sa restaurant. Ba't sa restaurants, ang bibilis sila mag-serve ng pagkain? This is how they do it in restaurants. They cook everything all at the same time. Or sometimes, yung mga pagkain are, prepared na, ready na. Then put one more flour, a little more. Yun. Okay? A little more. Kasi sasama ko na mamaya yan dito. Sasama ko na yung head. Halo lang natin dyan. Sama natin yung mga head dito. Yun. Tapos babaltarin ko na yung pork natin. Konti pa. This is coming along. Nice. So, mix na natin lahat dito. Yun lang. Pero huli kong ilulutuin yan, no? Yung ulo ng pusit. Yan. Okay. Kung nahihirapan ka, no, pwede mo rin naman kamayin. No? Kung madali pa sa kamayin, kamay mo na. Yan, no? Ups. Yan. But make sure lang just to wash your hands right after doing this. Good. Pati yung mga kuko. Singat-singat lang kuko mo yun. Lagyan kasi ng corn yun, ng cornstarch. No? Pati itlog, lahat yun. So, dinisin mabuti, gasa mabuti. And here you go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Good color. Good color. Nice. Tatabi na natin siya. Tagin natin. Beauty. Take this out. Tabi natin siya. And now, with this oil, with the remaining oil, yung chicken naman. Yung chicken, tabi ko lang ito dito. So, yung binoil natin ng chicken kanina, isi-season lang natin ulit. We'll season it. Basic seasoning, salt and pepper. Yes, salt and pepper. I'll put in a little paprika para maganda yung color niya. I'm going to put a little vinegar. Tapos a little sriracha sauce. Pero yung pinaka-sriracha niya, sa huli na after frying it. Okay? I'll put some vinegar, just a little, to make it tangy. Yes, good. And then, konting paprika. Nice. Yes. From here on, I'm ready to fry this. Nice. Ano lang. As simple as this. Tapos, tatapusin natin to with sriracha sauce. Okay? Put in medium-high heat. Mainit na. Ibabagsak natin yung chicken wings. I fry. Let them fry. Hindi pa. Let them fry. We're frying this pomas olive oil. So, ang next naman na gagawin natin is our calamari. And yung calamari natin, we are going to cook it with Doña Elena pure olive oil. Okay? Alright. There. Nice. Ganun lang. Tsaka na chicken. Buksan na yung chicken natin. Good. Ganda, oh. Yan lang. And then, pag luto na yan, malambot na yan, lalagyan natin yung sriracha sauce. Okay? So, how's our pure olive oil coming along? Dapat hindi siya, hindi na siya pausukin. Dapat mainit lang. So, while we're waiting for our oil to heat up, and then yung chicken natin na maluto, okay? Gagawa tayo ng sauce para sa chicken natin. Gawa tayo ng sriracha sauce. Yan. So, sriracha sauce. Masarap yung maanghang, di ba? Tapos, to make it more spicy, gusto ko lagyan ng konting tabasco. Yes. No? Tapos lagyan natin ng konting green pepper. So, yan mo, kahit may siya, kahit may seed siya, okay lang to. No? Then, para rustic yung dating niya. Pinong-pino lang siya. Sama mo siya dun. So, yun lang, konti lang. That's it, yun lang. I'll put it here. Good. The nice thing about this, it's not too spicy. Tapos lagyan ng konting vinegar for tang. Para medyo tangy siya ng konti. Yan. I'll put in a little pepper. Let's put some pepper. And konting sugar lang. Konting sugar lang just to neutralize yung asim, yung anghang, no? Let's get some brown sugar. Okay. I'll mix it. And then by the time ready na ano ko. Ready yung chicken ko. Okay. It's your chicken. Nice. Goodie. Put a little more sugar. Our chicken's ready. So, ito. Good luck. Okay, ready? So, I'll turn this off. Chicken's ready. Nice. So remember, ang ginawa natin sa chicken kanina, binoil natin siya ng konti para lumambot. Okay? So yung olive oil natin here is beginning to heat up. I'll put it on the side. I don't want it to smoke. You don't want your olive oil to smoke. Okay? So, andyan na yun. Babagsak mo lang yung chicken dito sa sauce. Just like that. Okay? And then just mix it lang. Yan lang, Yan, just mix it there. Shake it there. Okay? And good. Stir it. Turn it. Shake it. Yan. Para makuha niya lahat nung ginawa natin sauce kanina. Yan. And leave it there. Same as ginawa natin sa toko natin. I'll take this out. I'll put this on the side. And then, kunin ko na yung calamari natin. Okay? Cook it. So, since it's hot, ibababa ko lang yung temperature niya. Okay? Tatabi ko lang yung ulo. I'll cook the heads later. Okay? Let's cook our calamari. Oh, nice. Bilis na ito maluto. Just like that. Nice. Sa mga tapas bar, nakikita nyo ganyan kabilis na sila magluto. Isang bagsak, kuha ka agad. Especially squid. If it's hot na ganito, 1 minute. You do not want to overcook your squid. Okay? After a minute, kunin natin yun, kunin natin yung squid natin. Yeah, nice. Get a piece of towel para yung oil na-absorb niya. Para hindi siya maging oily pag serve mo. No? So, ganun. Put it there para makuha niya lahat ng oil. Ganun. Okay, good. And then, after this, almost ready na tayo. Ipe-prepare ko naman yung baboy natin, yung tokat baboy, together with the sauce. Yung napakadali, no? Tomatoes, onions, luya. You can put or you may not put garlic. Tapos, it's up to you. Toyo, suka. Halo mo lang lahat. That's it. Alright? Bilis lang, di ba? All of this, you can prepare within, 20 minutes. Tapos ready na yung barkada mo nito. Barkada mo, ready na sa pulutan mo. Init. Oh. So while I'm waiting for our squid to cook, what I'll do, i-prepare ko na yung sauce natin para sa tokwat baboy. Okay? Yung onions natin. Kalahati lang. That's all we need. Okay? Tapos, pinuhin natin to. Yan. Pino. Yun. Ganun lang. That's all we want. Okay, next. Put this in sa bowl. Diyan natin gagawin yung sauce natin para sa tokwat baboy. Then, kuha tayo ng luya. Yun. Okay. So, get may luya. Okay, konti lang. Konti, yes. Okay. Okay, ito siya. And then, pino rin. Yan o. After kukulin natin yung calamari, pwede na yan. Take it out. Okay. Good. Yung mga ulo ng squid, lagyan nandito. Ako, gusto ko itong parte na to. Ulo ng squid. Yan. Good eh. Tabihin natin to. I'll continue doing my sauce for the tokwat baboy. No? And then, yung kamatis. Yes. Ito. Yes. Tapos sa gitna. Ganun lang. Huwag masyadong pino. Para medyo nakakagat natin yung kamatis. Yun. Yun. Okay. Cut in half. And then, put them all here. Alright. Siguro hindi ko na ito lalagyan ng garlic. Just leave it like that. Some people like it with garlic. Some don't. So, baka yung iba ayaw ng garlic sa tokwat baboy nila. Huwag yun ang pilitin. Okay? So, we have our onions. We have our luya. We have our tomato. We'll put in some salt. We'll put in suka. Ito, key ingredient ito sa tokwat baboy. And of course, soy sauce. Yan. Yan talaga yung mga key ingredients. No? Tapos gawin natin ng manghang. So kung gusto yung manghang, lagyan natin ng sili. Yung. So, putol tayo ng sili. Nice. Putol tayo ng sili. Good. Nice. Inside. We'll check on the squid. See? Multitasking, di ba? Multitasking lang yan. Pag medyo crispy na ng konti yan, pwede na. So, let's try our sauce. Ito, tignan natin ng pepper. Anghang pa ito mamaya. So we leave it there. And then pepper. Okay. And then we'll mix it. Wow, base natin, no? Lapit na matapos, no? Okay. Mix it there. Let it stay. Let it develop its flavor in a few minutes. And then, while this is almost done, okay, kukuha na tayo ng kunan yung mga niluto natin kanina. There you go. Take a few pieces of this. And then, tabi natin. Puputulin natin ito. Yun. Yun. Ganyan lang. Yummy. Goody. Lapit na. Malapit maluto. Malapit maluto yung squid natin. Pumuputok na eh. So once naputo nyo na yung yung pork niyo, ilagay nyo na siya sa sauce. Ibagsak nyo siya doon. Yun. And then let it marinate. And haluin natin mabuti dito. There. Okay. Yun. Yung natin dyan. Tapos yung tokwa natin. Bago ko putulin tokwa, tatanggalin ko na yung squid natin. Okay. Yun. Nice. Nice. Crispy na siya. Pag lamig pa ito, magiging crispy pa siya. Goody. Nice. Okay. Parse out. Tabi natin. Okay, good. That's it. Nel. Suwi deh. Suwi. Tulungan mo. Kuha na. Kunin mo. Mama. Oh, diba? Asim. Sakto asim. Hang. Hang. Kamay. Okay, di masyado. Dagdagan natin. Dagdag. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just mix everything daw. Kuwang sahang. Kuwang sahang. Yun ha. Sige. Dagdagan pa natin. Ang aslom. Sakto lang, Niel. Sakto na. Okay. There you go. Tatlong sili na nilagay natin. Wala pa raw ang hang. Okay. 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 Everything's mixed. Mix it well. And then yung tokwa naman, i-absorb naman niya yung mixture natin ng toyo, suka, and all those mga spices natin sa loob. No? There you go. Good. Ako naman titikim. O nga. A little more salt. Good. Okay. At this point, I'm ready to serve. Okay. So serve tayo. I have my calamari. I have my chicken wings. Okay. And then I have my tokat baboy. Serve. Clear. Time to serve. Okay. Unahin natin itong tokat baboy. That's good. Tatabi ko na ito. Second, our chicken wings. Nice. Nice. Goody. Good. And third, our calamari. Yung tantakol sa labas. I can smell the rosemary. Ang bango. Ang bango ng rosemary dun sa squid. Tapos, pag gumawa kayo ng pag gumawa kayo ng sauce ng calamari, the easiest way is just get yourselves tartar sauce. Tartar sauce. Yung para dito yan sa gilid. See? That's how you serve. Just like that. And here is our chicken wings, our calamari, and of course, our tokat baboy. We all used what? Doña Elena, olive oil, pure and tomas. Tikman natin. Oh, eto na. Tikman na natin to. Tawagan ko na yung barkada ko na talagang kakain pagkatapos mag-workout. Come on, honey. And Juliana, there you go.
Also known as Amihan ng Habagat.
Yan. Teka, tanggalin ko lang itong ano ko. Ang tawag dito? Apron? So here we go. We have tokot baboy, chicken wings, and then we have calamari. Your choice.
Ako no meat.
No meat. So dito ka mag-calamari.
No meat, no chicken.
Pero may
plus-
tokwa.
Okay lang.
Okay,
Tokwa.
go.
No. Serving spoon.
Ah.
Plate. Kasi ano?
Sige, sige. Here. Here. Plate. Serving bowl. Serving bowl.
Thank you. Iwasan ko lang yung baboy. Because
It's so good.
holy week. God is watching. Basili mo.
No, if you can. Ah.
Ngap.
This one is that.
No.
Sarap na to.
Tartar sauce.
Sarap to.
Sarap ng chicken. Sarap.
Can't have chicken.
Yan talaga
yeah.
hanggang tingin lang ko.
Dito na, Juliana. Tokwa.
I love takot baboy, but I don't really have the takot.
Okay. I love the calamari.
Sarap.
Butong.
This is good.
Ang
How did you?
suka. Doon namin dito.
I use the native suka of Ray Evangelista. This is really coconut vinegar.
The native
Do they know who Ray is? Ray is our neighbor. But for those who watch basketball,
Ray Evangelista is a basketball superstar.
yes.
Hmm?
And then he lives how many houses down the street?
2 houses away.
2 houses away. And masarap yung suka niya.
Yeah. It's also our city councilor. Honey, mukhang talagang ang dami niyong win-workout today, Juliana. Here, oh.
And it's also a really hot day today, guys.
Yan.
Kaya ano kami? Binihita pa.
But, sarap naman ang merienda natin, di ba?
Alam mo, honey, one day,
One day.
gawa tayo ng episode. Ako magtuturo sa'yo. Yung mga
Sige.
niluluto ng mga hindi nagluluto. People like me.
Tapos doon.
This one I really want to try.
Abulong day. Yan.
What is the rub?
Right. That one, sriracha. Sriracha, mix of spices, plus a little, I made spicer, more Tabasco.
Ito, how?
It's cornstarch, corn, then a little of everything. Rosemary. Wow. Ito mas masarap, Juliana. Drink
Butong.
coconut water. Right after that, tigma mo. Hayop natin.
Yan o, lahat ng
Ang daming hayop dito.
ang bao. Nakita na nilang bao? Nga pa.
Bawas turtle.
Pero alam mo, yung bao namin wala pang pangalan. So, sila lang yung mga hayop namin na walang pangalan. This is very good. This
Which one
one.
do you like more?
Kanin na lang yung kulang.
Correct.
Very good, honey.
How's the spice? Sabi kasi ni Daniel kanina, hindi rin masyadong manghang, dinagdagan ko ng sili. It's much better na, not spicy siya.
Very good.
Very good,
I
yun.
wouldn't change a thing.
Nice.
I'll just add rice.
True.
Good?
Yeah.
Try with some coconut water, honey. Tignan mo yung pang-wash down mo. Tignan mo yung combination niya.
Ano to? Doña Elena din?
Don Gomez. Don Gomez Budong.
Backyard butong.
Oh, sarap, di ba?
Sarap.
Oh. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me right in Goma Home right after workout.
Thank you for snack time.
Of course, of course.
Ano masasabi? Like, subscribe. Ano yan?
Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the
Notification bell.
alam niyo kapag may tayong
Diba?
bagong video palabas.
Here.
Yeah, this one. Yan. Okay?
Memorize ko rin yan when I'm the guest ko.
Yeah?
You're the guest ko.
So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you,
Thank you.
my love. Thank you, Juliana.
Thank you.
Please do this in your own kitchen. Share it with your friends and enjoy it with your family. We'll see you again next time right here in Goma at Home.
Bye-bye.
Bye.